There's Chinese here and there's coffee club. Honey, look at that one. So this is Eagle Street Pier. Look at that. So this is equivalent to like Darling Harbour, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. Darling Harbour of Brisbane. Now in Opa with this view here.
Brisbane River, there's the bridge just there.
The bridge. First night in Brisbane.
We're at a place called Ola, so it's like a Greek. Opa, sorry, Opa.
You know, we say Opa.
Opa, it's a Greek restaurant, and the guy said it's only been open a couple of weeks, so it's nice to see the Brisbane River. It's pretty busy for a Wednesday night, and they say it's, it's fresh pumps on Friday, or Saturday.
So we're just gonna enjoy the view. So they gave us another free drink here.
Got a freebie here, that was alright.
Yeah, that's
Corona,
good.
free wine. Yeah.
It's welcoming us here
Thanks
in
for the
Brisbane. Yeah. Espresso martini. So, Uber driver, can you drive slowly?
Yeah, sure. Everyone's on around here.
I know, right? It's pretty busy here. It's a Wednesday, but it's so busy. Ready? Yay! Yeah! We're going to the fairy lights in the botanical gardens. Ooh.
I'm pushing.
Ooh. Ooh, let's go. Where are you going? Just go straight. It's fun, guys. So much fun.
Thanks, mate.
Ooh, guys, it's the Brisbane River. Lucky my driver is sober.
Yeah.
I don't know how much is this gonna cost. So far, it's $6. Ooh, it's the Brisbane River. Just go straight. Oh my god, this is so much fun. We are now in the Brisbane River Walk.
Hold on.
Yeah, it's pretty quick. It's so fast. Brisbane River. Ooh. Yeah. Hey, can you drive? Hey, look, eyes on the road. I don't want to fall in the water.
Turn the camera around so that we can see what we're saying. What's the speed this boob at?
How do you know?
Move your boob. 22.
Move my boob. Are you serious? It's 22. Oh, look at that! There's the fairy lights, love. Oh my god! Yeah, we're here now. Oh, that's.
Turn left onto Gardens Point Road.
Brisbane fairy lights. That's nice.
are in Brisbane. It's a Wednesday night. There's plenty of atmosphere.
Yeah, and that's the
it's
river there.
Pretty comfy. What, 23 degrees, something like that?
I
Late
love
May.
this weather.
It's nice.
So we are just exploring the botanical gardens, and there's the fairy lights. It's pretty amazing. Look at that.